Hello and welcome to 12612 North Ruby Street. My name's Chelsea with McFarland Prairie Real Estate, and today we're taking a sneak peek inside this brand new listing. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for taking a minute to check in with this tour today. If you have any questions or you want to set up your own showing, we would love to help you out with that. Till next time.